I'm going to do a really quick unboxing of this, which is the OkioCam T Plus. One of my favourite visualisers at the moment are these, the OkioCam system. This one is the OkioCam S, which is the student version, but this one I'm going to open today is the OkioCam T Plus. So let's get it unboxed and have a little look. If the OkioCam S meant student, well, prizes for guessing what the OkioCam T might mean. That's right, it's the OkioCam teacher model. What's the difference between it and the S? Well, it's got this extender arm, and you can see hopefully the camera module is that bit larger and it contains a slightly higher quality camera. They've also, though, this time, as opposed to the normal OkioCam T, they've given you a dry wipe cloth, because now the base itself is a whiteboard, a dry wipe whiteboard. So they've just added this extra bit of functionality to the OkioCam T by allowing you to draw on the actual visualiser base. So this is itself now a little whiteboard, and they've bundled in a dry erase marker and a cloth. Isn't that neat? First time you use, tap the nib until the ink comes through freely. Fair enough? That is cool. Okay, so thanks to OkioCam for sending this one out. Nice, that's pretty good actually. Doesn't leave much of a residue, in fact. That's pretty nice. That is a nice whiteboard surface. I wonder if it just works off just fine with an ordinary pen as well. Should do. Yeah. The other benefits of having the T rather than the S is that you get this extender arm, which just means that your visualizer can cover a wider area.